My name is Frank Lattimore. I work with Tag Restoration out of Dayton, Ohio. I am on the property of Austin and Jasmine Erwin at 19470 Ohio State Route 4 in Marysville, Ohio. And I'm about to perform a repairability test on their barn roof. And I'm going to switch perspective. There we go. As you can see, it's on an already affected area of the roof by wind. This is the shingle that I've selected. What I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize a putty knife to detach this shingle. All right, as you can see, fully detached. So in order to properly do a repair, we need to lift the shingle at a 90-degree angle in order to properly remove the shingle from below the layers, the two layers above, and in order to hammer in flush nails to reseat the new shingle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift 3 times. One, 2, and 3. Now it is important to note that we will need to lift the shingle at least 3 times to perform a repair. But as you can see, right here, there is a crease. That means that this repairability test has failed.